Correct tire pressure and moderate driving style can extend tire life for your MG Hector and MG ZS EV. The front tires and the rear tires have different levels of wear. The front tires wear faster than the rear tires. In order to prolong the tire life and avoid uneven tread wear, conduct tire rotation as per maintenance regulations. Keep a proper tire pressure in your MG cars and keep a check on it regularly. Check nuts, bolts for tightening regularly by yourself. In case you notice something, contact the MG service center. Please use the recommended wheels and wheel nuts or bolts. Otherwise, it may lead to the vehicle out of control and cause collision accidents, resulting in personal injury and damage of vehicle or other properties. Check the tire tread depth as per the tread wear indicator regularly. The mark on the tire wall indicates the position of the tread wear indicator. The tire must be replaced when the tread wear indicator appears. When the tread depth is equal to or less than 1.6 mm due to wear, the tread wear indicator will appear between the tread grooves. Now that your tires are up and functioning and in the best of health, enjoy that drive in peace.